We'll guide you through how to activate the undo send in Outlook. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to prevent mistakes after sending an email, such as typos, missing attachments, or sending to the wrong recipient. The undo send feature provides a short time window to cancel an email before it is fully delivered, helping users avoid embarrassment, confusion, or professional errors in communication. To begin this tutorial, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Type your Outlook email address in the provided field to log in to Microsoft Outlook. Make sure the email address is entered correctly to avoid any login issues. After entering your email address, click Continue to proceed with the login process and access your mailbox. Once you are successfully signed in, click the settings icon located in the top right corner of the screen to open the settings panel. From the settings menu that appears, select Mail to access the mail configuration options. Inside the mail settings, click Compose and Reply to manage how your outgoing messages are handled. Scroll down through the available options until you find the Undo Send section. In this section, you will see a slider that allows you to set a cancellation delay time. Drag the slider to choose the cancellation delay time, for example 10 seconds, depending on how long you want to have the option to recall a sent email. After selecting your preferred delay time, click Save to apply the changes and activate the Undo Send feature. Next, you should test the feature to ensure it is working correctly. Click New Mail to create a new message. In the Compose window that appears, enter the recipient's email address in the field so the message has a destination. Then type the email subject, for example, how to activate the Undo Send in Outlook, in the subject line. Click inside the email body area and type your message, for example, activate the Undo Send in Outlook, as sample content. After finishing your message, click Send to deliver the email. Immediately after clicking Send, look for the Undo option that appears at the bottom of the screen. This option will remain visible for the number of seconds you selected earlier. Click Undo within the selected time frame to cancel sending the email and return the message to the draft stage.